Hello, everybody, and welcome to More to Digital. I'm your host, Brian Sikorsky, and today we have Alan C. He's the Chief Marketing Officer of AMS Construction. Alan, so glad you had an opportunity to join us today. How are you doing?
I'm doing really well. Thank you for having me.
Oh, it's my pleasure. It's my pleasure. So, you work for AMS Construction, Chief Marketing Officer. So, let me ask you, what are the major challenges that you face today in regards to marketing your company?
So, in the B2B world, we do business with people we know, like, and trust. And when, you know, as it relates to supplying construction parts to heavy equipment, we supply both the new aftermarket, used, rebuilt, replacement parts. And perhaps buying a $10 seal kit, over the internet is no big deal. But when the parts become thousands, if not tens of thousands of dollars to replace a major component, then people definitely want to talk to somebody. And you leave the world of just doing things over the internet. And so building that trust, as I said, we do business with people we know, like, and trust. And so building that
Mhm.
credibility becomes very important for the brand.
And what kind of digital platforms do you use on a regular basis at AMS?
So, very fortunately, Daniel Million, the CEO and founder, was an early entry into this industry, and the website that we have is very much built for SEO. And so we leverage Google AdWords together with the strength of our website, and then of course we have our what I call our social satellites. So YouTube, Instagram, Twitter,
Mhm.
LinkedIn, Facebook are all we're generating content, and what I like to feel is very good content in order to drive awareness, create that credibility, and drive even more traffic to our website.
Oh, that's great. So, obviously, the world of marketing is always changing. There's always things that are coming up that are new. What kind of things do you do to make sure that you stay on top of the ever changing world of marketing for your organization?
Yeah, so this is where it's critically important to be curious. I consider myself a lifelong learner. Um,
Hmm.
I was an early adopter into LinkedIn. In fact, I was the 74,000th person to be on that platform. So I'm actually part of the advisory council for that. I was early onto Twitter, and so I like to remain curious. I like to be a lifelong learner, and so I am constantly uh, doing what I call agile marketing, and that's testing different platforms, testing different situations to see what may or may not work as it's relevant to what needs to be done today.
That's fantastic. So, let me ask you, what do you think is the biggest challenge that you as an advertiser faces today?
Well, again, I'm going to fall back on trust. The environment that we're in today, and today just happens to be election day, and I guess we'll see how things turn out with that. But I feel like media and a lot of places that people have traditionally gone to in order to create or find information, it's changing, and their trust of those sources can sometimes flex one way or the other, radically. And so what I like to do is, again, rely back on the fact that in this B2B world, the customer wants to deal with somebody that they know, like, and trust. And so we concentrate very hard on building employee advocates in other words, I work really hard on building the personal profiles of our sales team. And that is because, I want them to be able to have a strong personal brand, something that's credible, something that no matter how news is fluctuating, that their customers and the people that they're working with know, like, and trust them.
That's amazing. Yeah. When we talk about marketing, especially B2B, it's so important that you have that connection, and you understand your client base and your customers. That is one of the biggest things that I tell people as well. Understand your audience and make a personal connection and watch everything grow. That's fantastic. Alan, thank you so much for your time. That was a great insight and definitely something that everyone needs to hear because those things are important. So thank you so much for taking
Thank,
your time and being on the show today.
thank you so much. Have a great day.
My pleasure. You too. And everyone else, we have such great advice for the rest of you out there. Don't forget, you can connect with Alan. You can also connect with me, and we can connect you with any of the other great interviews that we have on our other platforms. And as always, it's great ideas and incredible storytelling in media and marketing right here on More to Digital. You can find us at dailyadbrief.com. My name is Brian Sikorsky. You're a powerful marketer, if I can say that properly. And we'll see you next time. Bye, everybody.
Simplify presents Addressable CTV, combining the power of TV with the targeting and attribution of digital. Simplify's Addressable CTV delivers massive reach with the ability to scale without sacrificing precision. TV buyers can generate incremental reach with household level targeting, frequency controls, reporting, and insights. To learn more about Simplify's Addressable CTV and what it can do for your clients, visit simply.fi.